Hello. I'm going to be presenting supply chain disruptions that occurred between October 2023 and 2024, the Red Sea crisis, specifically the Suez Canal. The Red Sea crisis severely disrupted global supply chains, affecting nearly 30% of container traffic and forcing companies to rethink logistical strategies. Major economic and operational impacts included shipping delays, soaring flight costs, and production halts across industries like automotive and electronics. What were the causes for the Red Sea crisis? The main thing was a geopolitical conflict, specifically the Houthi militants targeting vessels following the Hamas and Israeli war of 2023, escalating security threats in one of the most busiest world maritime corridors. Disruption of vital trade routes. The Red Sea and Suez Canal handle 12% of global trade, causing immediate supply chain bottlenecks when shipping lanes were compromised. This also caused forced rerouting. Many shipping companies diverted vessels around Cape of Good Hope, increasing transit times by 2 to 3 weeks, and hence increasing fuel consumptions significantly. What are some of the supply chain issues and shipping ramifications? Prolonged transit times. Red Sea reroutes added 10 to 21 extra days to critical shipping routes, affecting delivery schedules across Asia, Europe, and Americas. It has significantly increased cost. Freight rates skyrocketed 300%, insurance premiums doubled, and oil prices increased, pushing up overall consumer prices globally. Supply chain breakdowns. Just-in-time manufacturing models collapsed completely, leading to component shortages in sectors like automotive, electronics, as well as pharmaceuticals. What are some of the most specific industry impacts? Automotive disruptions. Major manufacturers like Tesla, Volvo halted productions due to delayed component shipments and materials, leading to temporary factory shutdowns. Electronics sector. India's electronics industry suffered over 2 billion in losses due to semiconductor shortages affecting smartphones and consumer electronics production. Retail stockouts. Supply disruptions caused holiday season shortages, affecting companies like IKEA and Amazon, leading to delayed orders and lost revenue. So what are some of the short-term mitigations the companies can implement it? Alternative routes. Shipping routes via the Cape of Good Hope extended delivery times by 2 to 3 weeks and added 1 million per voyage due to fuel and operational costs. Air freight adoptions. Companies prioritized critical shipment via air, ensuring essential goods reach markets, but still 5 to 10 times the cost of sea transport. Increased buffer stocks. Business shifted from just-in-time models to safety inventory, temporarily stockpiling goods to avoid supply disruptions. What are some of the long-term strategies? Supply diversifications. Businesses reduced reliance on single-source suppliers, adapted multi-region sources to mitigate geopolitical risks. Technology integrations. AI-powered demand forecasting, lot-enabled real-time tracking, and predictive analytics helped improve supply chain visibility and efficiency. Multi-modal transport solutions. Companies blended sea, rail, and land freight, for example, China, Europe, rail routes, to reduce dependency on high-risk maritime lanes. How can we future-proof supply chains? Well, some of these things expose weaknesses. The crisis revealed poor contingency planning, leading to massive financial and operational losses across industries. Strategic solutions, proactive risk assessment for geopolitically sensitive trade routes, collaborative logistics, companies sharing cargo space and pooling resources to reduce costs and risks, adaptive business models. Firms must continuously evolve logistical strategies ensuring they remain resilient against future disruptions. What were some of the ripple effects on global trade? Inflationary pressures. The crisis drove up global prices for essential goods like oil, raw material, and consumer electronics, worsening post-pandemic inflations. Nearshoring and localizations. More companies shifted to regional manufacturing, for example, European and US reshoring productions, to reduce dependency on volatile trade routes. Environmental concerns. Extended shipping routes increased carbon emissions, creating a conflict between supply chain efficiency and sustainability goals. What are some of the lessons learned from the crisis? Failure to focus and prepare led to significant financial losses. Importance of contingency planning and risk assessment. The need for adaptive supply chain frameworks. In conclusion, supply chain resilience, diversify supply, shipping routes, and transport models to reduce future vulnerabilities. Invest in predictive technology like utilize AI, blockchain, and LOT for better risk management and real-time logistical tracking. Agility as a competitive advantage. Companies that adapt quickly to disruptions will gain a market edge, turning crisis potentially into opportunities. Thank you.